So the first step is to go to the logo making tool. So to go there, just click the link below this video and it'll take you to this page. Now this is where we are going to make our logo. Now you can see that right now we have this sample logo. So let's remove it by clicking new and then click yes. So now we have a blank page where we can start creating our logo. So to create our logo, let's go to step 2, which is to make the icon of our logo. So to make the icon, just click add symbol and you'll find different icons and its categories. Now choose a category which relates to your brand. I'm going to choose this one. And then pick an icon you like. So I'm going to select this. And as soon as you click it, it will be added to your page. So once you have added your icon, next let's see how you can make it more unique. So let's say you want to change the color of this icon. All you have to do is just click on the place where you want to change the color. And then click here and change the color from here. Okay, so now we have changed the color. Next, let's see how you can customize this icon. So let's say you don't want this dollar symbol. To remove it, all you have to do is just select the part which you want to remove and then click the I button. And as you can see, the part we selected has been removed. So now you know how you can customize your icon. So next let's see how you can make your icon more unique. Now if you want to make your icon unique, you can add another icon and then place it inside this icon. So let's try it. To pick our next icon, let's click add symbol and pick your second icon. Now I'm going to place this icon here and then change this color. To change the color, again just click on the place where you want to change and then change the color here. Okay, so now we have successfully created our icon. So next, let's go to step 3, which is to add your brand name to your logo. So to add your brand name, just click add text and this text will be added. Now to enter your brand name, just select this text and then enter your own text. Now if you want, you can also add your tagline. So to add a tagline, just click add text again and then enter your tagline. Now you can change its size by dragging here. And if you want to change the text color, just click it. And like we did before, change the color here. Okay, so now we have added our brand name and our tagline. So next let's see how you can make your brand name more unique. So to make your brand name more unique, just click here and then click duplicate. Now let's remove this part from here. And we'll remove this part. So now we have separated the name into 2 different parts. Now to make this logo more unique, we are going to apply a different font for this part. So let's place this here. And to apply a new font, just click here. And you'll get different fonts which you can choose. Now have a look at these fonts and choose the one you like. I'm going to choose this font. And now we can resize this by dragging here. Okay, so now we have changed the font. Next, let's quickly change the color from here. And now we can see that after changing the font and the color, our logo looks very unique. Okay, so now we have successfully created our logo. So next, let's go to the final step, which is to download this logo to our computer. So to download the logo, just click save and download, and then enter your email and click save and continue. And now the logo will be sent to your email. So to get it, let's go to our inbox and then open the mail you have received. Now here you can see that we have an attachment. So let's download this file. And if we open it, you can see that we have got our logo in different formats. Now if we open any one of these files, we can see that we have got our logo. So this is how you can download your logo to your computer. So once you download the logo, you can use this logo anywhere you want. Now if you want to use your logo on different backgrounds like this, make sure you use the PNG file. So the PNG file will give you a transparent background for your logo. Okay, so next, if you want to edit your logo in future, just go back to the logo maker and you'll find this link. Now you can visit this link anytime to continue editing your logo. So that's it, guys.